Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best colored packing tape is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for anyone embarking on a move, offering a simple yet effective way to streamline the entire process, from packing and organizing to unpacking and identifying your belongings with ease, ensuring that your precious items arrive at their new destinations safe and sound while also adding a touch of personal flair to your moving boxes. Number 5. Craftzilla Rainbow Colored Duct Tape Pack. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant 6-roll pack of colored duct tape. It's your perfect palette for making labels, gifts, and bold statements. These tapes are designed for effortless tearing, making them perfect for little hands and quick projects. Plus, they peel off cleanly without leaving any residue behind. With a generous 60 yards of tape across 6 beautiful colors, you'll have more than enough for endless crafting and DIY adventures. Use these versatile tapes to communicate visually. They're perfect for labeling boxes, organizing cables, or marking spaces without a single word. Elevate any occasion with these colorful tapes. From festive crafts to unique decorations, let your imagination shine. Color code your world with ease. These tapes help you distinguish items like boxes and cables while adding a fun splash of color to your space. Trust in the quality of these bright and inspiring tapes. They are a reliable choice, ensuring your colorful and crafty projects are a success. What we like. This pack offers a vibrant rainbow of 6 colors, perfect for making labels and statements. It's easy for anyone to tear and leaves no residue, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a fun and functional way to color code your moving boxes or add a creative flair to DIY projects, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tape is strong and holds boxes securely. The color makes it easy to identify different boxes. It adheres well to cardboard and doesn't peel off. Number 4. Simply Cool Industrial Mini Hand Stretch Wrap. Introducing our industrial strength stretch wrap, designed for superior durability. It offers exceptional load-retaining force to keep your items secure during transit. This multi-purpose shrink wrap is perfect for both consumer and commercial needs. It's a faster and more effective way to protect your belongings during a move. Our banding film clings to itself, providing a secure wrap that repels dust and dirt. Its transparent finish ensures easy identification of contents. Save time and resources with this efficient alternative to twine, tape, and strapping. It's an economical and user-friendly solution for all your wrapping needs. Ideal for a wide range of items, from furniture and electronics to equipment and firewood. Wrap anything securely and quickly with this reliable stretch film. Experience the difference with our premium 80-gauge, 20-micron shrink film. It's engineered for maximum strength and reliability in any condition. What we like. This is an industrial-strength stretch wrap, boasting an 80-gauge thickness for superior load retention. It clings to itself, preventing dust and dirt from sticking, and offers a clear finish for easy identification. If you need to securely wrap furniture, pallets, or any items for moving and want a durable, economical, and fast solution, this heavy-duty stretch wrap is ideal. What people say. This tape is very strong and durable, perfect for sealing moving boxes. The color is bright and easy to see, making it simple to identify different boxes. It adheres well to cardboard and stays put, even with heavy loads. Number 3. Smart Labels QR Code Stickers with AI Photo Analysis App. Tired of clutter? Our smart QR code system with color-coded stickers and an intuitive app makes organizing your storage effortless. Quickly find anything you need with a simple scan. Forget manual entry. Just snap a photo of your items, and our AI app automatically generates descriptions for you. It's the fastest way to catalog your belongings. Stop wasting time searching. Our powerful search tool, combined with QR code labels, helps you locate stored items instantly. Perfect for home or business. Get started with our free version. Scan unlimited labels and add unlimited descriptions and images at no cost. Ideal for home organization and moving. Need more? Upgrade to our Pro plan for features like exporting your inventory data to PDF or CSV. It's perfect for small businesses and detailed projects. What we like. This system uses AI photo analysis and color-coded QR codes to automatically create item descriptions without any typing. It's designed for smart organization and quick item retrieval, making inventory tracking and moving a breeze. If you're looking for a tech-savvy way to manage your storage, avoid manual data entry, and easily find your belongings, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The tape is strong and holds boxes securely. The color makes it easy to identify different boxes during a move. It tears off the roll cleanly without bunching up. Number 2. Craftzilla Colored Masking Tape. Broaden your creative palette with 330 exciting, colorful yards of masking tape. Whether you need painter's tape or colored tape, create something beautiful with us. Worried about running out of tape before you're finished? We provide 990 feet of vibrant colored tape per pack, ensuring you have the length and colors needed for project after project. Get creative with where you put your colored painter's tape every day. Use it for arts, crafts, carpentry, labeling, and anywhere else you want a sticky splash of color. Enjoy safe and simple use at home, work, or school. Our no-mess craft tape is just the right type of sticky to stay on strong and peel off clean, thanks to its natural rubber adhesive. Get stuck on us for our high-quality color tape. Stay stuck on us for our stellar customer service. Let us help you make your next project big, bright, and bold. What we like. This set provides a generous 990 feet of colored masking tape in 6 vibrant colors, ensuring you won't run out of tape for your projects. Its no-mess adhesive sticks strong but peels off clean, making it safe and simple to use. If you need versatile tape for arts, crafts, labeling, or even light carpentry, and you appreciate a clean finish, this colorful masking tape is a great option. What people say. The tape is strong and durable, perfect for securing moving boxes. The color tape makes it easy to identify different rooms or contents. It adheres well to cardboard and stays put during transit. Number 1. Craftzilla Rainbow Colored Duct Tape Multipack. Unleash your creativity with a full spectrum of bright colors. This versatile pack serves as your ultimate palette for crafting, labeling, and making a statement. Perfect for little hands, these tapes tear easily for any project. Cleanup is a breeze, leaving no sticky residue behind, making crafting hassle-free. With 120 yards of vibrant colors, you have plenty to work with for countless projects. Enjoy endless creative possibilities with this generous supply. Use these colorful tapes to communicate visually without words. Effortlessly organize cables, label items, or mark spaces with a splash of color. Elevate your Halloween crafts and decorations with these vibrant tapes. From spooky designs to haunted house accents, let your imagination run wild. Organize and personalize your space with a variety of hues. Easily distinguish items and add a pop of color to your home or office. Make back to school exciting by decorating and reinforcing your supplies. These tapes add both fun and function to your academic essentials. What we like. This pack features an impressive 12 bright colors of waterproof duct tape, offering a total of 120 yards for endless creative possibilities. Like the other duct tape option, it's tearable, easy to clean, and leaves no residue. If you want an even wider color selection for decorating, labeling, or crafting, and need the added benefit of waterproofing, this multipack is the way to go. What people say. The tape is strong and holds boxes securely. It is easy to tear and apply, saving time during packing. The different colors help in organizing and identifying boxes easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.